Most of the girls are facing a pore problem for a long time. Do you have this problem also? If you couldn't find a solution for this, don't worry. We have excellent solutions for you. I'll tell you 9 ways to close large open pores. Keep watching this video until the end. The market has many kind of products, but you can find out the solutions from your kitchen. It is an easy and suitable method for us. Stress, genetics, and unhealthy skin can also be the reason for pores. Mostly, we can see pores on oily and combination skin. Let's see the elements which can help you with your pores. Number 1. Aloe Vera for skin pores. Aloe Vera is a very essential element for pores. By applying aloe vera daily, your pores can shrink soon. This gel helps to remove your oil and dirt from the clogged pores. It also moisturizes your skin. Use aloe vera gel on your skin until a few minutes and massage. Now you can rinse with cool water. Number 2. Egg white for skin pores. Egg masks are excellent elements for open pores. It is also helpful for treating virulent forms of acne. The white part of the egg can help you tighten and tones the skin. Mix 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons oat milk, and 2 tablespoons lemon juice and make a paste. You should apply it on your face twice a week. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar for skin pores. Apple cider vinegar is also a helpful element for you. It can reduce your inflammation, it tightens your skin and works as a toner. It also likes to cleanse for skin and helpful for shrinking your pores. Mix 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar with 1 tablespoon water and use it on your face by cotton. Let's wait to dry it. Use it every day on your face as a toner. It gives you much improvement. Number 4. Papaya for skin pores. Papaya is also good for the skin. It helps to tone your skin and tightens your pores. Firstly, take some pieces of ripe papaya and mash the papaya and use it on your face for 20 minutes. After that, wash it by cool water. Number 5. Baking soda for skin pores. Baking is a great choice for you because it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory things which is helpful for removing acne and pimples. It can also remove dead skin cells, grime. Mix 2 tablespoons baking soda and 2 tablespoons water. The next step is applying it into the pore area and massage for 30 seconds. Finally, wash it. You can use it one time in 4 days. Number 6. Argan Oil for skin pores. This oil is a very charming choice for your skin. It can nourish your skin and diminishes your large and also open pore. It has vitamin E and fatty acid which will give you glowing skin. Take some of the drops of this oil and apply it on your face. Continue massage for a couple of minutes. After half an hour, wash it. Before going to bed, try it on the face. Number 7. Jojoba Oil for skin pores. Jojoba oil is also a good choice for it. It is similar to the skin's natural oil. It will clear your clogged pores and reduce the size of pores. Take 3 or 4 drops jojoba oil and massage it on your skin for just minutes. Leave it on your face overnight. You can use it a few times a week. Number 8. Lemon for skin pores. Lemon has many essential ingredients that can help you with up-clogged pores and also brightens the skin. It has the most effective element which can remove pore and blackheads. You need 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon water and a cotton ball. Applying this lemon juice with mixing water by cotton. Leave it for 10 minutes. Now wash it. Use this therapy daily. Number 9. Multani Mitti for skin pores. Multani Mitti is one of the best choices for the skin. It can unclog your pores. It has essential elements that can suck up oil from your skin. It can be the cleanser for your face. It has effective whitening properties that can make your skin glowing. Mix 2 tablespoons Multani Mitti, milk or 2 tablespoons rose water. Use this on your face until it is dry. And the final step is to wash it. Follow this trick which I said to you in this video. If you try to obey all my tricks properly, your skin can be pore-free. Keep your skin always clean. Dirty faces can be increasing problems. Wash your face daily at least 3 times. Taking healthy food is also a good sign of having healthy skin. Use branded products for your skin. Don't use non-branded or low-cost products. Non-branded products can harm your skin. Don't use non-branded for a low cost. If you don't want pore on your face, don't do any of them which I have said now. That's all for today.